Hello, my name's LeeRussell and I'm from Worcester in the United Kingdom. Today I'm going to teach you a little bit about the channel strip in a mixer, and I'm going to do that as part of the course requirements for Introduction to Music Production run by Coursera.org. First of all, I'm going to look at a real world mixer and run through the channel strip on that, and then I'm going to go through the mixer and a DAW and point out the similarities between the two and where they differ. So, on a channel strip, on a mixer, we start at the top with the input, and the signal tends to flow down, although there are a few exceptions to this, but that's roughly how it happens. So on this mixer, we start at the top with the line inputs. And the signal comes in here, and then next, I don't think you can actually read that text, but we have an insert plug. Now an insert plug is somewhere where we can, on a real world mixer, we can insert an effects pedal that allows us to alter the signal with a variety of the effects available, like compression or delays or courses and all those others. And then we get to the gain, which allows us to bring the strength of the signal up to line level, the amplitude of the signal, sorry, up to line level. And then on this mixer we have quite a detailed graphic equalizer, and then we have these knobs here allow us to set the level for this channel to come out of the auxiliary outputs. So this is where it differs, because these are quite close to the bottom here, I suppose, so that is, on this mixer it is top to bottom, and they will come out there depending on how you set the range here. And then we have a pan button, allows us to say whether this channel is going to come out of the left or right channel on the mix, and we have a fader that controls the volume on this particular channel. And then once we've got the hang of that, then this is just repeated all the way across for all the different channels. And then we have the master at the end that allows us to set the master volume, and has these little LEDs where we can check that we're not sending out too loud. And then we have a DAW. So in a DAW we have a similar setup where at the top, up here, we can see, well, in fact this DAW is different from most other DAWs. This DAW is set up for simplicity, so it doesn't have the control of the inputs and outputs that you can see in more expensive ones, but that equates to ease of use. What we can do is set effects at the very top on the signal, and you can see up there that that's brought up another screen that has a wide variety of effects: reverb, delay, compressor, and that allows us to put it on the channel straight away. So that would be an effect on the whole channel, or we can do an FX send. So I double click there, sorry, line below, what I've done there is I've left that effects window open, so what I'm going to have to do is close that. There we go, and that opens up a whole new FX channel that we can send our signal to. And on this channel we can set our effects rather than doing them through an insert as we had to in the real one. We can do them through a plug-in here, and then we come down, and just like on a real world DAW we can do the mute, and we have the main channel volume control there. And that's been my brief look at channel strip and a mixer. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.